We're going to find the inverse function of the following one-to-one function. The function is f of x equals 5 over 3x minus 7. To find an inverse function, we are firstly going to convert this f of x into y so that it's easier to form further equations, and then we keep the side the same way as it was. So 5 over 3x minus 7. Then we're going to change the y's and x variables. So for every y we see, we're going to swap that with an x variable. So here we're going to have x equals 5 over 3y minus 7. To find the inverse function, we want to find y on its own. So we have the y variable here in the denominator, and I want to get y on its own. So what should I do? I think I'm going to move the 3y minus 7 to the left side. How do we do that? Well, this 5 is currently being divided by 3y minus 7, so to remove that we have to multiply the 5 by 3y minus 7, and since this is an equation, we have to multiply the left side by 3y minus 7 as well. So we're going to have x times 3y minus 7, and now is equals to 5. Then I want to move the x to the right side so that we have this one variable y, which is the one we're looking for, on its own. So now I'm going to divide both sides by x to get rid of the x on the left side. And now this becomes 5 over x. Now we're going to move the minus 7 to the right side here because we want the 3y on its own. So let's do that. Let's have 3y equals 5 over x. And the plus 7 is going to come after and not on the numerator because that would mean something different. And now we want to divide both sides by 3 to get rid of this 3 and have y on its own. And the way we do that for this right side is we're going to multiply the denominator by 3. So x becomes 3x. And 7 is the same as 7 over 1. So when we multiply the denominator by 3, we're going to have 7 over 3. And this is your inverse function. And now that we found this, we simply turn this y into an inverse function notation. So that's going to be f of 1 of x equals 5 over 3x plus 7 over 3. And this is your final answer. You found my guidance of today's question useful, and if you have any of your own questions, leave them in the comments and I will get to them. See you next time.